The Vedas are the ancient sacred scriptures of Hinduism, regarded as the oldest texts in the world. Composed in Sanskrit over 3000 years ago, they form the foundation of religious and spiritual thought in the Indian subcontinent. The Vedas are divided into four distinct collections: the Rig Veda, the Yajur Veda, the Samaveda, and the Atharva Veda. Each of these Vedas serves a different purpose, with its focus on specific aspects of ritual, philosophy, hymns, and practical wisdom. Together, they offer a comprehensive view of early Vedic thought, providing insights into the cosmos, deities, human life, and spiritual practices. 1. Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is the oldest and most significant of the four Vedas. It consists of 1028 hymns, or suktas, which are organized into 10 books called mandalas. These hymns are primarily composed of praises, prayers, and invocations to a variety of deities who represent different aspects of nature and the universe, such as Indra, god of thunder and war, Agni, god of fire, and Varuna, god of cosmic order. The hymns in the Rig Veda are used for ritual worship and sacrifices, with the belief that these practices would invoke the divine favor and ensure prosperity, protection, and cosmic balance. The Rig Veda focuses on maintaining the harmony between the human and divine realms through ritual sacrifices. Apart from being a collection of hymns, the Rig Veda is also a philosophical text. It includes reflections on creation, the origin of the universe, and the relationship between gods and human beings. The concept of Rata, cosmic order, is a central theme in the Rig Veda. This concept signifies a divine moral law that governs both the natural world and human behavior. By living in accordance with Rata, the Vedic people believed they could achieve peace and prosperity. The hymns often invoke deities not just for blessings in battles or wealth but for ensuring the maintenance of cosmic law and moral conduct. 2. Yajur Veda. The Yajur Veda is focused primarily on rituals and sacrifices. It provides detailed instructions on how to conduct various Vedic rites, including yajnas, sacrificial offerings. The Yajur Veda is divided into two parts: the Shukla, white, Yajur Veda, and the Krishna, black, Yajur Veda. The Shukla Yajur Veda contains hymns and mantras used in rituals, while the Krishna Yajur Veda includes explanations and commentary on the rituals and their procedures. This division reflects the practical and explanatory functions of the Yajur Veda. While the Rig Veda provides the hymns, the Yajur Veda focuses on how these hymns should be performed in actual ritual practice. The Yajur Veda also emphasizes the importance of ritual purity, correct recitation, and precise offerings to the gods to ensure that the sacrifice is successful and brings about the desired results. The rituals outlined in the Yajur Veda aim to maintain cosmic and social order by invoking the gods to bless the community with prosperity, health, and protection from harm. The Yajur Veda's significance lies not only in its contribution to the formalization of Vedic rituals but also in its emphasis on the role of the priesthood in maintaining the sacred connection between humanity and the divine. 3. Samaveda. The Samaveda is known as the Veda of Chants or the Veda of Melodies, as it primarily focuses on the musical aspects of worship. It consists of hymns from the Rig Veda that have been set to melodies and musical notation. The Samaveda's primary function was to serve as a guide for priests who chanted these hymns during sacrificial rites. Music and sound were considered powerful tools in the Vedic worldview, capable of invoking the divine presence and ensuring the success of the ritual. The Samaveda emphasizes the rhythmic and melodic recitation of hymns, which are believed to have the power to create a spiritual connection between the human and divine realms. In addition to its musical significance, the Samaveda highlights the importance of sound and vibration in spiritual practices. The hymns are not just words but are viewed as vibrations that resonate with the cosmic order, invoking the deities in a way that ritualistic action alone cannot. The Samaveda is integral to Vedic worship because it underscores the power of sacred sound and its role in connecting humans to the divine through chants and melodies. This Veda continues to influence various forms of liturgical music in Hindu traditions today. 4. Atharvaveda. The Atharvaveda is the most distinct and diverse of the four Vedas. While the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, and Samaveda are mostly concerned with rituals and sacrifices, the Atharvaveda addresses more practical aspects of life. It contains a variety of spells, incantations, and prayers designed to protect individuals and communities from dangers, illnesses, and misfortunes. The Atharvaveda offers guidance on healing diseases, ensuring success in various undertakings, and securing personal and social well-being. It also includes magical and supernatural elements, with rituals intended to ward off evil spirits and negative forces. The Atharvaveda is a mixture of practical wisdom and spiritual knowledge. Its hymns deal with the everyday concerns of ancient Vedic people, such as health, family life, prosperity, and protection from harm. It is also one of the first Vedic texts to address the philosophical questions of the nature of existence and the human soul. Through its practical focus, the Atharvaveda reflects a deep understanding of both the physical and spiritual needs of society. It offers a unique perspective on life, balancing the ritualistic and philosophical elements found in the other Vedas with practical guidance for individuals and communities. Each of the four Vedas is composed of four parts. 1. Samhitas. These are collections of hymns and mantras, which are the core of the Vedic texts. The Samhitas are primarily used in ritual sacrifices and prayers to the gods. 2. Brahmanas. These texts provide detailed explanations of the rituals and sacrifices outlined in the Samhitas. They describe the procedures for performing the rituals and the significance of each act in maintaining cosmic order. 3. Aranyakas. The Aranyakas serve as a transition between the Brahmanas and the more abstract and mystical teachings found in the Upanishads. They focus on meditation and spiritual contemplation, often intended for those who live in seclusion or the forest, Aranya. 4. Upanishads. The Upanishads are the philosophical texts that explore the deeper meanings of life, the nature of the self, Atman, and the ultimate reality, Brahman. They mark a shift from ritualistic practice to more spiritual and mystical teachings, laying the foundation for later Hindu philosophy. In conclusion, the Vedas form the spiritual and philosophical foundation of Hinduism. Each of the four Vedas, the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and Atharvaveda, plays a distinct role in the Vedic tradition. The Rig Veda is focused on hymns and invocations to the gods, the Yajurveda provides instructions for ritual sacrifices, and the Samaveda emphasizes the musical and rhythmic aspects of worship, and the Atharvaveda addresses the practical needs of daily life through spells and incantations. Together, these texts encompass a vast range of spiritual, philosophical, and practical knowledge, offering insight into the ancient Vedic worldview and continuing to influence Hinduism and its practices to this day.